everyone, my name is Bill Su, and today I'll be teaching you the basics of honeybees. I'm sure that you all know what a honeybee looks like. They have a distinctive black and yellow striped pattern. They are also some of the most amazing and interesting insects out there. Here you can see them drinking honey. Honeybees are a social animal. What does this mean? It means that they work together as a team. Honeybees live in a group known as a colony, or a beehive. There are three kinds of bees in each hive. First, you have the queen bee. The queen bee is very special. There's only one per hive. The queen bee's job is to lay eggs, which will hatch and develop into more bees. The queen bee is also the largest bee in the hive. All bees work to help the queen bee. Next, we have the worker bees. Worker bees are the most common kind of bee in a hive. They are all hatched from queen bee's eggs, and all of them are siblings. In fact, they're all sisters, as all worker bees are female. They do almost all the tasks in the hive, from collecting food to defense. Finally, we have the drones. Drone bees don't do much. They're easy to spot as they have large eyes. Their only purpose is to mate with other queens and to spread their queen's genes. Your genes determine how you look, and it tells your body how to function. This is the same for bees. In total, there can be over 100,000 bees in a hive. With this many bees, they have strength in numbers, allowing them to accomplish amazing feats. Next, we'll learn about the life cycle of a bee. A bee starts as an egg inside a cell. The egg will hatch, and out comes a little honeybee larva. It's kind of like a small worm-like thing. At this stage, all the larva does is eat. Eventually, the larva will spin a cocoon, similar to a butterfly, and begin to transform. In this stage, it is called a pupa. Finally, it will break out of the cocoon and emerge as an adult. Here is some footage of this happening from my own beehive. The entire process can take anywhere from 16 to 21 days, depending on what kind of bee is hatching. For queen bees, it takes 16 days, and for drones, it takes 21 days. Safety is very important, and no one wants to get stung. If you ever have a bee crawling on you or buzzing around your head, just stay still. Don't panic. If you panic, it will only make the bee want to sting more. Additionally, if you see a huge swarm of bees anywhere, make sure to stay back and tell your parents or any adult supervisor. They can call beekeepers to take it away, sometimes even for free. Now, you'll learn some fun facts about bees. First, did you know drones can't sting? Drones actually have no stingers on them. And this is completely true. Here is my little brother with a drone crawling on his arm. It can't hurt him in any way. Second, bees actually have 5 eyes. They have the 2 big eyes that you know, and 3 small tiny eyes on their forehead. And lastly, when bees go out on a pollination trip, they only pollinate flowers of one kind. This makes them some of the best pollinators out there. For example, if they decide, hey, I want to pollinate apple trees today, they only pollinate apple trees. Some other insects may pollinate random trees, so it's first apple and then orange and then maybe a little bit of this flower, which makes them a lot less efficient. Finally, we'll talk about the importance of bees. Bees are some of the best pollinators out there. They pollinate 80% of the world's crops, and 3/4 of all food you eat comes from honeybee pollination. This makes them incredibly important. However, recently, due to multiple reasons, honeybees have been on the decline. This is why beekeeping is so important. We are trying to keep the honeybees from going extinct. Organizations like the Clara Valley Beekeepers Association are helping in this effort. They provide many helpful resources for people who want to become beekeepers. If you're interested, I recommend checking them out. I, in fact, first started at this organization. So, today I hope you learned a little bit, at least, about honeybees and why they're so important and some interesting facts about them. Thank you and have a great day.